Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing power and Bluetooth. This avoids mid-process dropouts. Charge the case and earbuds to roughly 50% or more so they stay on during pairing. Once done, open Android settings and turn Bluetooth on. You'll need visibility. Then open the Airdopes Progear case near the phone to put the buds into pairing mode automatically. Make sure the case LED or earbud LEDs show pairing. This confirms the devices are advertising so your phone can see them immediately. You now perform the actual pairing on Android. In Bluetooth settings, scan and find the listing named Airdopes Progear or the model number. Names vary by firmware. Tap the name to connect and accept any prompt. This establishes the link and authorizes audio profiles. Make sure media audio is checked in the device details so music and calls route to the earbuds. Once paired, the phone shows connected. If you see only paired, toggle connection to engage audio. You finish by verifying functionality and knowing one quick fix. Play music and make a short call to confirm audio, mic, and touch controls work. This tests both channels. If pairing fails or audio drops, reset the earbuds. Place them in the case and hold the pairing button for about 5 to 8 seconds to force a factory reset. If problems persist, forget the device in Android Bluetooth settings and clear Bluetooth cache. Then repeat pairing to resolve stale pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.